Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to craft a fishing rod in Once Human. This process works on both Android or iOS devices, so let's go ahead and do it. First of all, launch open Once Human game on your device. Once you are inside your homepage of Once Human, before crafting a fishing rod, you'll first need wooden stick, rope or vine, sharp stone or flint. If you have collected all of these, then you can go ahead and get to your primary supplies workbench. Now click on open once you approach near it, and once you're inside this primary supplies workbench page, go ahead and select fishing rod from the menu. Now, after selecting it, you will be able to see if you can craft the fishing rod or not. You'll see a little craft button at the bottom right, tap on it, and you'll be able to craft fishing rod from your supplies workbench. Wait until the crafting is done, and once it is, you can then tap on the claim products button and you'll be able to claim your fishing rod. So that is how you easily craft a fishing rod in Once Human. Once completed, the fishing rod will appear in your inventory or your equipment at the bottom. After you have done creating a fishing rod, you can now go ahead and fish in the rivers, lakes, or ponds. So that's how you easily craft a fishing rod in Once Human. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.